So you may be having an issue where for some reason your iPhone is sending out green messages instead of blue messages. Now the main reason for this and basically at a high level, the reason why this happens is because a blue message is an iMessage and a green message is essentially non-iMessage messages. So if it's a green message, that means the person you're sending to either doesn't have iMessage enabled, they may still have an iPhone, or temporarily they're in an area with bad signal or no Wi-Fi or data. That way you have to send it as an SMS rather than an actual iMessage. So the first thing you want to do on your end is to actually make sure you have data and make sure you either have like Wi-Fi or cell signal of some sort, and you want to make your way over to your settings, and you just want to go ahead and go down into messages, which is right here. And all you want to do is make sure iMessage is enabled. As long as that's enabled, you're pretty much already good to go. That can usually be the number one issue why that happens. However, if this is disabled, you want to go ahead and toggle this on, and that may end up working. Now, another thing I'd recommend doing is making your way over to some other applications. You can go to your app store, you can go to Instagram, whatever you want to, and you want to see how long it takes everything to load. If it takes a significant amount of time for all the applications to load, then that can pretty much be the issue. You may just want to make sure you're connected to a good cell signal or a good Wi-Fi connection, and that could end up fixing it too. Now, another thing I recommend doing is if you're sending a message, sometimes the message that the person that's receiving the message, person you're texting, sometimes they can have some issues where they are the ones that don't have signal, or they are the ones who don't have an iPhone, or whatever the case is. So if that ends up being the case, then all you'll have to do is pretty much just wait it out until either they get better signal, or maybe they want to switch to an iPhone or Android, whatever the case is, then they can go ahead and do that. But that is usually the main reason. Now, if that's still happening and they could swear they're not the problem or whatever the case is, you can make your way over to your iPhone settings right here. You want to go and click on General, you want to click Software Update, and you just want to see if there's a software update available. If there is, then that probably will end up fixing it for the most part. If there isn't, then you may just want to wait out until maybe they get better signal, you get better signal, and then pretty much go on from there. So that kind of covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that means so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.